Good morning, Miss Griffin's class. Today we are going to review SIPPS Lesson 3A. Our story for this lesson is I See the Fruit. In your books, this is just labeled as 3. We are going to use this story for 3A and 3B. So instead of having 2 stories this week, you'll only have 1. Please make sure you're going on Flipgrid to record yourself reading the story for me so I can see how well you guys are doing with your reading. First time we read the story, I'm going to read the sentence first, and I want you to read it after me. When we read the story again at the end of the lesson, I want you just to read it by yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started. I see the fruit. Read. I see 3 apples. Read. I see grapes. Read. I see the orange. Read. I see 4 cherries. Read. I see the melon. Read. I see bananas. Read. I see 3 pears. Read. I see the fruit. Read. Good job reading. Now we're going to go to blending and segmenting words into syllables. Instead of 2 syllables, we are blending into 3 syllables today. So instead of we are going to be using our whole arm. We need your wrist, your elbow, and your shoulder. So first syllable, second syllable, third syllable. Let's look at an example. Ba-na-na. Banana. Banana. So the faster you move your arm, the faster you say it. Are you ready? Banana. Let's try another example. Straw-bear-ease. Strawberries. 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 The faster you move it, the faster you say it. Let's put another one together. I want you guys to try by yourself before I give you the answer. Are you ready? Spaghetti. Our word is spaghetti. Let's look at another word. Hamburger. Our word is hamburger. Let's look at one more word. Are you ready? Chocolate. Our word is chocolate. Now we are going to segment 2-syllable words, so we're back to using our hands. Are you ready? Eagle. Chicken. Ostrich. Penguin. Robin. That is blending and segmenting. Now we're going to move to letter sounds. We do have a new letter this week. Our new letter is the letter N. It makes the sound N. So that is when you put your teeth together. N. This is a continuous sound, which means that you can hold it for as long as you have breath. Ready? I want you to hold it as long as you can. If you have trouble remembering our sound, remember I can make a noise through my nose. Nose noise. So, we have We also have our other sound that we've learned. I'm going to hold it up and ask what sound. I want you to say the sound 3 times. Ready? What sound? What sound? What sound? Your student should have said s, s, s. Just for review, this is our new letter. I'm going to ask what sound, and I want you to make it 3 times, just like we did for the letter S. Let's get started. What sound? What sound? What sound? Your student should have said n, n, n. Let's move on to our sight words. We do have a new sight word today. We have the word you. We read it you, spelled Y-O-U. You. You are in this class. You. Let's read it. You. Let's spell it. Y-O-U. Read it one more time. You. Let's review our other sight words. I'm going to hold it up. Say read, spell, read. Ready? Read. Spell. Read. Your student should have said I, capital I, I. Let's look at another review word. This is the word, what word? Spell. Read. Your student should have said the, T-H-E, the. Another review word for us. Read it, spell it, and read it. Read. Spell. Read. Your student should have said see, S-E-E, see. Now I'm going to hold up our new word. We're going to read it, spell it, and read it. Read. Spell. Read. Your student should have said you, Y-O-U, you. Those are our sight words. We're going to read our story one more time. This time I'm not going to read it first. I want your student reading it by themselves. Let's get started. Read. 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 Remember to replay this video as many times as you need to practice your story until you're reading it fluently. Remember, for lesson 3B, we're going to be using the same story. I'll see you guys for lesson 3B.